Hi everyone, 您好 Welcome to Smart Mandarin. 恭喜恭喜 Congratulations. 我是 Maggie, 您好吗？ If you have completed watching all the clips on the playlist Smart Mandarin Basics, then many congratulations. You have built a solid foundation and ready to take off.Here are some of the key points for you to carry on your journey with pleasure. You have learned pinyin, and you can pronounce this with confidence. Most important is the 6 primary vowels: a, wo, i, u, yu.If you are very comfortable with all the pinyin, then you will be very confident to pronounce all the Chinese words. Numbers. You can count at least 1 to 10 very fluently, because numbers are very popular in Chinese language. You understand that Chinese written language is characters.Each character is single-sounded, like these 人, 山, 木. In most of cases, different characters share the same sound. For example, 人 have different characters. Therefore, most of Chinese words contain at least 2 characters, which are 2 sounds. Then the meaning is fixed.So if you see a word with 2 sounds, then people can figure out what's the meaning. Majority of Chinese characters has different meanings, like 人 means people, person, human, and man. Therefore, Chinese characters are like building blocks. Let's see this one. 人, people. We can build words with 人, for example, big 人, small 人, loved 人, working 人, male 人, female 人, and so on. All words contain 人. Because it's really like each character has different meanings and they are very active, so they can work with many different other words. Therefore, Chinese words are unlimited, because people can continuously create new words. You might ask how many Chinese characters I should know. Let me say, if you know 100 Chinese characters, that means you can at least build up 200 words. For daily uses, to read newspaper or write essays, I think you will know 200 to 300 or 500 characters.That's already pretty good. Chinese grammar is simple. For example, you know 你好 means hello. 你好吗 means how are you. You just add 吗 at the end of the sentence, it becomes a question. So those kind of words like 吗 question mark, we call it function words. So it's very simple and easy.Chinese language is contextual. Because each word is single-sounded and when you speak is very short. So sometimes you can figure out the meaning from the context rather than just the sound. If you bear this in your mind, then you won't feel this language is weird or you easily to make these mother tongue slips.Here is a small song for you. 恭喜恭喜恭喜你呀，恭喜恭喜恭喜你。If you want to continue, my serious Mandarin learning book, Smart Mandarin for Beginners, are now available at eBay. All the lessons are recorded and uploaded on my YouTube channel, Smart Mandarin for Beginners. Thank you for watching. 谢谢，再见。See you next time.